How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your photo from Google Photos without actually deleting it from your device. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Google Photos, right? Now if you want to delete it from your backup on Google Photos but you don't want to delete it from your device, then first you will have to turn off the backup. If you just tap on the file icon at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the settings there. Now I won't be able to show it here, and my screen recording will be stopped due to the security issues on the app. So you want to tap on there and you want to make sure that your sync is off, that your backup and sync is off. Once you turn it off, you can go ahead and come here, and on your backup on Google Photos you can go ahead and delete any picture and it won't be removed from your device. So this is the way that you can delete photos from Google Photos backup without having to delete them from your device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.